Hello and welcome to Wiring Untangled. Today we're going to take a look at the 1967 through 1968 Porsche 911 wiring diagram. But first I wanted to start from the home page of Wiring Untangled. And the reason for that is when you have an account with us and you've already logged into your account, all you have to do is just come to the home page and click on Browse Diagrams. You're going to get access to all of the 911 and 912 diagrams that we have. But today we're going to specifically talk about this one, the 911 5 gauge with a fog light relay for 1967 to 68. So you would want to click on the diagram and you're going to see it's going to load. It focuses in on the fuse panel and then you can hover over the wires and you're going to see that these wires are going to give you the color and the wire gauge. You can also click on that wire and it will freeze it on the diagram, and so you can see over here that there's some things that wire goes to. This one, it goes down to the backup light switch, and then you can click on the other side of it and it'll show you where it's going. But you can come back up here and you can click on a fuse and it'll also do the same thing. So it's going to freeze the wires that come out of both sides of the fuse. But there's another feature built in. So when you double click on that fuse, it's going to break it out into an overview, and it's going to show you the wires that go into that fuse and where they go. And then you also have this More Info button. So the More Info button is going to give you complete information about the fuse panel. It's a complete overview. So it's going to tell you what every fuse does, where the wires go, and so on and so forth. So that overview feature is available on all the components on this diagram. If you take a look at like the WECO connector, you can click that. Over here in the overview, you can see where all those wires end up going to. You can zoom out so you can get a little bit better view of it from farther out. And then you can drag the diagram and you can actually look to see where they go. But you can come over here and double click on that WECO connector, and it's actually going to give you the additional information on that too. So there's everything where those wires go to, and then when you click More Info, it's going to show you everything that the WECO does and how it works and where all the wires go to. So on the left over here, we have a component search. So if you wanted to jump directly to something, like you wanted to look at the hazard switch, just click on it. It's going to highlight it. It's going to pull the wires out. You can hover over the wires and look at what color they are. Now you can double click on the component. It's going to break it all out for you, and it's going to show you everything about it. And this is also searchable, so if you just want to search on, say, ignition, you can start to type that in, and there's your ignition coil. So now you can click on the ignition coil, and there it is. And it's going to double click, and it's going to show you how it works and where the wires go. So that's the way it works with the premium version. So appreciate your time. If you have any questions, please visit wiringuntangled.com, and we can answer any questions that you might have. Thank you.